Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you, in this video I will show you how to make sticky header Shopify store. So if you are using free theme Shopify free Brooklyn theme and want to sticky header, so this video for you. Well, see this demo. This is a Brooklyn theme demo, beautiful demo. You can make any type of Shopify dropshipping store using this free theme. So but this is not a sticky header. So if you want to make this header sticky, you follow my video. So first login is Shopify dashboard, and after login just click online store. Click action and click edit code. Okay, after click edit code, just click for asset folder. This is the asset folder. Click asset folder and click theme.css.liquid file. So I already opened the file. So after open the file, just go to bottom and paste some code here. So I already ready all codes, so you don't worry. You just copy and paste the code in the asset folder theme.css.liquid. Just copy the code and paste here. After paste the code, just click save button. Okay, now reload the store. It's not sticky. Okay, reload the store. Okay, it's now sticky. It's beautiful. Okay, this is a desktop version, so we'll see mobile version. It is sticky or not. This is a mobile version. Okay, it's a desktop version. It's okay. Now it's a mobile version. It's sticky. No problem with mobile version, and it's a menu bar, hamburger. Just click here and it's a menu here. So I hope you understand. So subscribe my channel, so you will get more video about Shopify, WordPress and WooCommerce, and also like my video and put a comments if you have any question. So thanks for watching my video.